First one, greetings and polite expressions. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I am fine. Nice to meet you. Please. Thank you. Sorry. Excuse me. Second, daily conversation phrases. What's your name? My name is. Where do you live? I live in Bengaluru. What do you do? I am a teacher. What happened? Nothing. All good. Wait a moment. I don't know. Third one, asking for directions. Where is the place? How do I go there? Go straight. Take left. Take right. Near. Far. Is it nearby? I am new here. Do you direct me? Can you help me? Fourth one, shopping and market phrases. How much is this? It is too expensive. Can you reduce the price? I want this one. Do you have another size? Do you have another color? I am just checking. Give me a bill. Pack it, please. Is this fresh? Fifth one, polite request and common questions. Can I ask you something? Could you repeat that? Speak slowly, please. I didn't understand. Can I sit here? Can I come in? Let us go. Come quickly. I will call you later. Take care. Sixth one, health and well being. I feel sick. I need rest. I have a headache. I feel weak. Give me water. I need a doctor. I feel better now. I need medicine. I am very tired. I need a break. Seventh one, time and scheduling. What time is it? See you tomorrow. I am on the way. I will come soon. Let us fix a time. I am busy now. Call me tonight. Let us meet next week. I am running late. Please remind me. Eighth one. Home and family. I will clean the room. Dinner is ready. I will call them. Close the door. Switch up the light. I will help you. Let us eat together. I will take care. Keep it clean. I will wash this. Ninth one. Work and office. I will send the file. Please check your mail. I am doing it. I will join the meeting. Tell me the update. I need more time. Share the details. I will finish soon. I am talking to the team. I will inform you. Tenth one. Travel and transfer. I need a cab. How long will it take? I want a ticket. This place is crowded. Drop me here. I need to go now. When is the bus? Help with my bag. Is this the platform? I will travel tomorrow.